Discover series Cats by Exist Publishing. This kitten is curious. This kitten is looking in the mirror. This kitten is ready to play. This kitten is rolling around. This kitten is dancing. This kitten is ready to pounce. This kitten is playing peekaboo. These two kittens are looking up. This kitten is tired. This is a mom with her kitten. Wake up, cat. This cat is hungry. This cat is stretching. This cat is swatting. This cat is playing with a toy. This is a cat and mouse. This cat is relaxing. These cats are friends. This black cat has yellow eyes. This gray cat has yellow eyes. This is a scaredy cat. This cat is fat. This cat has wavy gray fur. This cat has thick fur. This cat is hairless. This hat is waving goodbye.